Okay, so this is the two concept. Basically, I just try to mix in this. Okay, otherwise it is all of a different domain. That is a prototype development or the product development and design. And another thing is nothing but a startup. Okay, so now, so coming on the product development, I just try to summarize the thing in one single slide, the different steps which are involved in product design or prototype design or development, we can say. So basically, you can see here that the steps which are there, okay, which are very important to understand everybody, so that they can implement these steps during their product development, during their prototype development, or or rather finally it will convert it into the good startup. Okay, what are those steps? So we must have to understand that is one is define, ideate, prototype, build and analysis. Okay, on an individual basis. So these every step involved the big things over it. Okay, but define. Okay, so as you can also communicate these things to our academic research and all. So okay, that is a define, that is a problem definition, means until and unless we are having some good idea, good problem definition, we can't move further. Otherwise, we, if our picture is not clear in our mind, what exactly we want to do, how we define the problem, then the things will be this scarative one. Okay, so define, you should be very, your mission vision regarding your product development, regarding your prototype development, it must be some, it must be a bold one. Okay, then then we come to the ideate. Okay, ideate means what? That is the, that is again the very important steps in product development design. That is ideate, means ideate means of idea generation, your how your idea is clear. Okay, means you can say, no doubt I am having some concept in my mind, then I have to I am in ideate state, I should be very clear with this ideate. Okay, so that is nothing but the ideate one. Now coming on the prototype, so you can see this is the third step in product design. Okay, after ideate means as you define the problem, that is okay, you are very much clear with your vision, mission and goal of your product development. होता है ना कि sometimes we are going to design any, for I'm just giving explaining the things in a very simple way. I want to, I'm going to design for a new mobile, so I should know, or I'm going to design for one grass cutter machine. Being as a mechanical, I'm a mechanical engineering, I'm giving this example, I'm going to design one grass cutter. Okay, and I developed my own grass cutter, which is costing something, having a size of 1 meter length, and which is run by electric engine, that is electricity or maybe diesel engine, and which is costing 30-40,000. Okay, when I will launch it, I spend suppose 1 year on design of that. Okay, and then I will find out ki, okay, the grass cutter is available in the market, which is very cheaper and which is very good working as compared with my design machine. So what it is that you, it is almost like you're wasting your time, you wasted your time in that, right? So it must be a your literature review, or your, the things should be clear in the definition stage as well as in the ideate one. Because now coming on the prototype, as it is mentioned in the theme of our today's session. Okay, so this prototype is nothing but the first model. You can see the first model, the testing model, you must have to manufacture it. Nowadays there are two kind of solution. One is nothing but IT solution, IT based solutions, IT based apps. Okay, and another is nothing but something physical, that is related with some machining process and all. Okay, so basically I divided the startup into two category. One is IT based and one is the product based. So this product based, in this product based, this prototype plays a very important role. Okay, then coming on the build, building is what? Prototype से बाद में आता है build. So building is build that model. Okay, so that is for your testing and all those things. And after building, That is analysis. Analyze. Oh, analyze means what? Analyze is nothing but your testing of that, the testing of the product, right? So analysis means what? And in analyze there are so many. Analysis is also connected with the feedback. Okay, so feedback, how you means you can make a questionnaire of 100 points, so that how it is working, whether it's good, whether it is efficiently, whether working or not, or so many. And from that analyze again, you can back to your, you can change to your define and edit. Means this is a complete loop. Okay, from the final product feedback, you can again back to your first one. So these are the basic steps which are involved in prototype development. Okay, now the second part of this presentation coming on the, now as you are having very good idea regarding any product development, but that is not enough, because we being as an engineering student, or we being as a engineering faculty, we can develop the things in the technical aspect only, but how to convert it into the startup. So coming on that, what first of all try to understand, we will just summarize in a very short way, how you convert, or what basically the startup is. What basically startup, what is business and what is startup, the in my slide it is very clear. If I want to open the